You have now completed the unit. Well done. You have learned a lot about using mobile applications in a professional setting.
Let's review some aspects you should have learned.
You should have a good knowledge of how to use the mobile application, how to set it up, correct handling of data, and any side effects and risk of using mobile applications, such as incorrect use.
This unit also emphasized that it's important to know how effective mobile application can be and what barriers and facilitators are to use the technology in a professional setting.
In the work with real-life scenarios, you learned how to choose a mobile application based on people's needs and how to support the use of mobile applications.
We hope you will find some opportunities to use mobile application in your profession.
Most important, stay critical, but don't be afraid of introducing the mobile applications to patients with pain, as it might have major positive effects.